Hey y'all, it's your girl Candace Lene and I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. Y'all, we got a new wig. It's an Amazon wig. It's affordable and we are going to go ahead and get into the details of this unit. So if you are interested, please continue watching.
If you know exactly what I want to do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that.
I'ma get a business to you.
See you through. Hold your head up, put a smile on your face. This is another test. It won't last always. So get ready for your blessing. Get ready for your miracle. Get ready for your blessing. Get ready for your miracle. I know you've been hurting deep down inside. Let me encourage you, it's gonna be alright.
What he can't say? Banned for an hour. Banned for an hour. We're gonna leave this on literally for an hour. Or close to an hour. I don't know if I actually need an hour, but we're gonna let that sit. And style. I don't know how I want to style this hair, y'all. 30 inches. 30-inch bust down. Should we curl it? Should we straighten it? Do we want to bust down? Middle part bust down. Okay, y'all. So far, I've plucked this hair and I just cut the tabs off. So I might be dealing with shedding from that. But so far it is shedding a lot. It is on the thinner side. See, I'm getting quite the shedding, but we're gonna see if that continues. All right, I think we're gonna do a bust down middle part, because that's just what a 30-inch gives. That's what we need to do. So that's what we're going to do.
That never gotta sweat that. You could bet 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 that never gotta sweat that.
Alright, y'all, I am burning up. It is hot. This been on for 30 minutes. My head is starting to hurt. I can't take it no more. So we gonna take it off. Some glue around there. That's okay. We can clean that up, but it's looking good. It's looking good. We got it nice and slick and sleek.
Molly Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Molly Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, 2 cups, toast on with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof. So ain't compromising, $500,000 on the coupe. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I was pink money, I can barely move. Ask about it, I'm gon' bust a move. Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, top on, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Represent, gotta represent. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big fun. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Big fun. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Big fun. Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun. Chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch. Photo maybe, I drive anything. Buy my range, make them go insane. My guillotine, drink with melazine, taking beans, go to the other streams. Let's go, Parliament, Calamari wins, parlay in Vegas, we was in the tennis, go, before the business, be the door lenses, be the more prescriptions, focus on the touchdown foreign place. Speech, ain't no way, ain't no fucking way. No call the play, we didn't call the play. No rob the bank, we gon' rob the game. In they game, we gang, but they're not the same. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big firm. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big firm. Rep the set, yeah, gotta rep the set. Gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big firm, mask on, yeah, fucking mask on, big firm, mask on, yeah, fucking mask on, big firm. Percocet, yeah, Miley Percocet, big firm. Chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch. Big firm, mask on. Fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, cash drop, number 9 on.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you a black girl, if you a black girl, if you a JP.
My neck, my back, so buttery brown. My neck, my back, my back, my back. My neck, my back, so buttery brown. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. My neck, my back, my back. 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 My neck, my back, my back.
black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing.
Okay, so one thing I can say about this wig is it does shed a lot. It definitely sheds more than it should. Lengthwise, it is there, but it is also very thin. So if you're into like the more natural look, this would be that. The lace is cool. You got to work with a little bit. It is kind of thick, but if you know what you're doing, you should be able to melt it. Y'all messed up on my baby hair right here. I cut too much on an accident. So that looks nothing like this side, but that's okay. What else can I say about this wig? It is nice and fitted. So if you have a small head, this is one for you for sure. I'm going to make sure that I link everything down in the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and check this out if you are interested. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one.